The date is May 30th, 2026. This is the Executive Lens. Today, the World Health Organization, or WHO, has declared a public health emergency of international concern, or PHEIC, over a novel strain of avian influenza, H5N8, that has begun spreading rapidly across multiple continents. According to a statement released by WHO Director General Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, the virus, initially detected in poultry farms in Southeast Asia, has now been confirmed in human cases in several countries, including India, Brazil, and Nigeria. The primary concern is the virus's apparent ability to transmit from human to human, albeit at a limited rate thus far. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, is working closely with the WHO and international partners to monitor the situation and develop potential countermeasures. Dr. Rochelle Walensky, the CDC director, stated in a press briefing this morning that the agency is accelerating research into existing influenza vaccines to determine their effectiveness against the H5N8 strain. The U.S. government is also stockpiling antiviral medications as a precautionary measure. The WHO is urging countries to implement enhanced surveillance measures, including increased testing and contact tracing, to contain the spread of the virus.
Here's the story most people missed. The U.S. Department of Agriculture, or USDA, has announced a new initiative to combat food deserts in rural communities. The program, called Nourish Rural, will provide grants and technical assistance to local organizations working to improve access to fresh, healthy food in underserved areas. According to a press release from the USDA, the initiative will focus on supporting mobile markets, community gardens, and partnerships with local farmers. What to watch? First, monitor the WHO and CDC websites for updated information on the H5N8 avian influenza outbreak. Second, watch for any announcements from pharmaceutical companies regarding the development of vaccines or treatments for the new strain. Third, keep an eye on economic indicators, as a global pandemic could have significant impacts on supply chains and financial markets. That is the Executive Lens from May 30th, 2026. Sources in the episode notes. Back tomorrow.